In order to download all of your tabs in a Google document as PDF and have them all show up, what you want to do is open the document here in Google Docs and then go to File. And you don't want to go to Share or Download. You want to go to Print and then go to Print All Tabs, which is this option here. Now, what you're going to see if you scroll down is that it adds an extra page for every tab with like the title of the tab, like tab 1, and then here's the actual page, and then tab 2. So what you want to do is right here where it says Pages, you want to hit the drop-down menu, go to Custom, and then only type in the page numbers of the actual tabs that you want downloaded as a PDF. So for me, it's going to be the even pages, so 2, 4, 6, and 8. Make sure you separate them using a comma, and now you can see if I scroll down, it's only going to download the actual tabs that I want it to download. Go ahead and click Save. Go ahead and save it to your computer. And then once you've done that, as you can see, I can preview it here on my Mac, and only the pages that I wanted to download as a PDF have been downloaded. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.